I don't know who needs to hear this, but this holiday season, you don't have to spend all your time in the kitchen to serve a show-stopping dinner. We've got your new family favorite with this simple and delicious beef tenderloin roast crowned with an elegant cranberry balsamic sauce. And you don't need to be a culinary whiz to make this right. We rub fresh thyme and black pepper into a beef tenderloin, then roast to our preferred doneness at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. The specifics are in the recipe. And letting it rest and boil for 15 to 20 minutes ensures those juices stay in there. While that rests, we simmer together balsamic vinegar and shallots. Then stir in whole cranberry sauce and cook together for just 6 minutes. Stir in the rest of the thyme and pepper seasoning, and it's ready for the oohs and ahs. Serve with your holiday classic side dishes and a healthy dose of memories to last forever. Spend more time with your family this holiday season with easy to cook and easy to love beef recipes.